pop skull in Gaza, but not that Gaza, but still it's a Mazda. Niggas want peace like cassava, but we let bridge them burn like grabber. Niggas want peace like cassava, but we let bridge them burn like grabber.
But me place, do your best, make case, bullet to your face, and a boy can't resuscitate. Them have to charge me for murder or aggravate.
Yeah, Shadi Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. Say for the first time, y'all check out the Chaddy Murray TV. Don't hesitate. Hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you definitely are going to be the first to know. No people, me no know if you know hear wagwan right there, so you know. But a war is on the horizon between the Gully God, Mavado, and the international superstar Drake. Yo. Me I go telling you how it all start. It started when Mavado. I should have telling you from this, so. Alright. Here's a quick rundown. So Mavado and Drake used to par. I don't know what made them stop par. But before Popcorn and Drake used to par, Mavado and Drake used to par. And the word on the street says some misunderstanding go on between some library book and some donation where Drake did a make, like Drake did to make a library, and then Mavado take the money and make the library and a bag of things. If you don't know what really took place, just leave it below in the comment section. You see me? But right now they're at war because you know say Mavado and Popcorn no deal, and right now Popcorn and Drake a link. You don't know say yo Popcorn signed to OVO and a bag of things. Me no feel like so me have to explain everything to you in details. But it all started last week when Drake dropped the Only You freestyle. And him kinda slipping about 2 line out tight. We go definitely towards Mavado.
With pop skull in Gaza, but not that Gaza, but still it's a Mazda. Niggas want peace like cassava, but we let bridge them burn like grabber.
So basically Drake say niggas want piece of cassava, but we make that burn like grabber. You get me? I say so. He must say Mavado want peace, a cassava as in him want peace. You see me? Mavado and Drake want peace, but him not in none of that. He must make that bridge there burn like hot grabber, like tobacco when you light it and blame it with a spliff. You get me? I say so. Mavado here walk on and I say I want to the Yankee boy. Oh, him fi run up on the God. Oh, him a go like him want run up on the God and release this song entitled Enemy Line.
And them suck pussy mouth, them a run up the key, left them blood up. Step on murder scene, left it dirty and mud up. Aye. No pharmaceutical, no hospital, no plug up.
People, me not tell a lie. It's a good song and it surprised a lot of the hardcore dancehall fan them. Because them feel like say Mavado would have just make it slide. No pun intended. Them feel like say Mavado would just left it alone and no trouble it whereas a international artist and them thing there. But Mavado say yo I want to no man. I mean him Gully God. Anything run up a dirt. And people, Mavado this Popcorn. Mavado this Drake. Mavado this the whole of them. And might I add, this rhythm is produced by G Godan.
But me place, do your best, make case, bullet to your face, and a boy can't resuscitate. Them have to charge me for murder or aggravate. Every blood clot gun contaminates.
So people, wanna tell me the honest truth, wanna think? Uno feel say this war, this lyrical feud, this little tension between the two artists them. You feel like it's gonna go away? You feel like it's gonna be a thing where Popcorn probably respond, or even we might get a Drake respond towards Mavado and diss him up back? Because remember, you know, I just 1 line or 2 line. Drake diss up Mavado in a which the line they kinda hot still, cause he must say yo him burn them bridge like hot grabber. And worse we know say one bridge they a cassava piece. And what make it worse too, him even go say yo them niggas want peace but him no want no peace. We make them burn. Yo, January. A cassava line, it's so on a way still. But nonetheless, the Gully God, cause you know, so we are talking about Mavado. We are talking about the man where they stand up against Vybz Kartel. I know people don't know who win the war, they still in. Leave it below in the comment section and tell me who you think win that war against the Gully and the Gaza. The Mavado and Kartel in a 2008 thing. But right now, Mavado show the people him say him no call up So any boy step a dirt, as what me said before. Good track, Mavado.
Tell soft and fake, look a sheep, look a marmon. Die trying, but you will never be a yard man. The Martian I say me full of my carbon.
Whether you want agree with Mavado, yes or no, uno know say a facts. Drake coulda never be a yard man. Drake will never be a yard man because him a done no yard man already. You see me? Same as say yo, watch out. Tell soft and fake like a sheep, like a merman. Die trying you will never be a yard man. Me not tell no lie. You see when Popcorn make Drake listen that part there, when Popcorn go so booms and say, yo, Drake, you kill them. Listen that part where dog say about you. He must say you will never be a yard man. Me know say Drake must curl up in a liquor shell and say John was star. A tree boy you talking. People wanna think about this song entitled Enemy Line. Me don't know still, but me feel like say that are my favorite line. And me have some more lines that me I go play. But me feel like say them really thump Drake in him face. Chip up him face, box him, drape him, shoot one in him head. And them thing there, see me? Deal with him away.
Like I be feeling figure like give me fall play. Me take a fucker then me cut it never hurts there. Fuck out on enemy so the things stay. Pull up with the fireworks say your birthday.
Okay, so we get to understand why Drake and Mavado don't deal and all. So it look like it all cause over one girl. You see me? Wanna carry girl feelings. Me no know still, wanna tell me in the comment section below. How you think say who take who for girl or which girl them a talk about? I don't know. I don't really know. I could have which girl that I know. Me wanna know. Ooh. Tell me a which girl. If you don't know, ooh, put it in the comment section. Anyway, still, it's your boy DJ. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And guess what? People are one way. Any other way are the wrong way. Don't know what I want, star. But when you tell me what that song you go. Oh, and people before we end that video, yeah, I want to tell me how much you grade this song out of 10. You see me? So you give it 10 out of 10 or you give it 5 out of 10 or 20 out of 10. If that's even possible. I don't think that possibly, you know. Grade it on the punchline them. You know the flow, the melody. The nice rhythm where G Godan make it a bounce away. You see me? So grade it on them there. And let me know what you think in the comment section below. Again, it's your boy DJ Chaddy. You see me? And I one way. I said that already. Anyway, still, we're gone.